I'm going to talk to you today about why it is better to spay neuter your pets. Let me ask you, have you talked to your veterinarian about having your animals spayed or neutered? And are they spayed or neutered? If they are, this is great because there can be many health issues that come along with not spaying or neutering your animals. The idea of spaying and neutering used to not be nearly as common as it is now because new research in the past few years showing the medical issues that can come from not spaying or neutering. Pyometra and cancer are some of the issues that can come from it. Spaying and neutering is the idea of either taking out the uterus on a female animal or taking out the testicles on a male animal. As I work at an animal hospital, I have seen many owners who will not neuter their animals because they do not want to do that to them. Working at an animal hospital, I am a witness to some people who are not willing to fix their animals. I'm going to be talking to you about what are the benefits of spaying, neutering your animals, what can happen if you don't spay or neuter them, and how does spaying and neutering affect the society and our shelters. So, what are the benefits of spaying and neutering your animals? According to the Humane Society of the United States, spaying and neutering your pets prevents further issues like cancer. It can cause prostate cancer or testicular cancer in male dogs, and with females, they can get a pyometra, or it's called a uterine infection, or uterine cancer. So I'll be telling you next what can happen if you don't spay neuter your pets. Besides cancer, spaying and neutering your animals has many other bad causes to it. The Humane Society says that because of people not wanting to spay and neuter, there are more and more animals on the street that are homeless. Because there are more homeless animals on the streets, that means there are more of them ending up in the shelters, and many shelters end up having to put many to sleep due to overcrowding at different shelters. The next thing is many animals that are not altered or out on the streets have a lesser chance of survival because of slight chance that they are to be put down. And another is that unaltered pets in general have a higher chance of survival compared to altered pets. When looking at the Humane Society, neutered male dogs live 18% longer than unneutered, and 23% of spayed females live longer than unspayed females. So, overall, when thinking about spaying and neutering your pets, thinking about the health effects and what it can do to our society, it is it can greatly affect the survival rate, how many animals are left on the streets, and it does help their behavioral issues also because they can have aggression and they want to mount other dogs to show their dominance because they are unaltered. So it will greatly affect our society and how many pets survive, how many go to the shelter, and if they are put down or not. So I'm glad I was able to talk to everyone about altering your pets and why it is so important for their well being. Thank you.